Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Use Vivo's rated fast charger and a high-quality USB-C PD cable. That combination negotiates higher voltage and current. Once done, switch to airplane mode so apps and radios can't pull power and slow charging. Make sure the battery sits in the low to mid-range, around 5% to 60%, because lithium-ion chemistry accepts high current fastest in that window. Now plug in directly to a wall outlet. Avoid power strips to minimize voltage drop and start the quick charge handshake. Once charging begins, optimize the device so more current goes to the battery instead of background tasks. You should turn off Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, NFC, and location services. These radios increase load and heat. Close or force-stop power-hungry apps, or enable battery saver temporarily to limit CPU cycles. Make sure the phone sits on a cool surface and remove thick cases. Thermal throttling reduces charging speed because the phone will lower current to protect the cells. If the phone supports a fast charge profile, to finish, monitor the charge curve. The fastest gains happen up to roughly 80 to 90%, after which the phone tapers current to preserve cell health. So unplug when you need speed, or let it top off slowly if you prefer full capacity. If charging stalls or is unusually slow, make sure to swap the PD charger and cable to identify a faulty accessory and try a different outlet. If the indicator freezes, restart the phone. Often a software handshake reset clears charging negotiation errors and restores normal fast charging.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.